Hello students, today we'll discuss the problem based on the numbers, exercise 1.2 class 6 maths. Third question. In an election, the successful candidates registered 5,77,500 votes and his rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Successful candidates got vote is equal to 5,77,500. Nearest rival got vote 3,48,700. Winning margin. Subtract 008. 15 minus 7, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 2,28,800. Successful candidate got vote 5,77,500. Nearest rival got votes is equal to 3,48,700. Winning margin will subtract. We get the 2,28,800. Now next, fourth. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In first week of June, books sold rupees 2,85,891. In the second week of June, books sold rupees 4 lakh 768. Sale of books for 2 weeks together. We'll add them. 9, 15, 8 or 7, 15, 1, 16, 6, 8, 6,86,659. In which week was the sale greater? Sale is greater in the second week. Sale is greater in second week. And by how much? For this we will subtract the second week first week sale from the second week sale. Greater sale minus seven, 8, 4, 1,14,877. Now, fifth question. This is a very important question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each only once. First, we have to make the given digits. Question number 5. Solution 5. Given digits are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Now, with the help of this, we have to find out the greatest number formed. Greatest number. First, we will write the greatest digit 7, then 6, 4, 3, 2. Now, smallest number. We have to write the smallest digit 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now, the difference we have to subtract the smaller number from the greatest number. 12 minus 7, 5. 12 minus 6, 6. 13 minus 4, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. Here is 52 lakh 965. Next question. A machine on an average manufactured 2,825 screws in a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Per day machine manufactured 2,825 screws. How much screws produced by the machine in the month of January 2006? In January 2006 there are 31 days. Machine manufactures screw in a day 2,825. There are 31 days. In January 2006. The screw manufactured in month of January is equal to 2825 into 31. 5282. 5, 7, 15, 7. That is 87,575 screws. Machine produced 87,575 in the month of January. Okay.